Home is always where my heart lies. Influenced by my mother, a household lover, I have always had an eye for beautiful things. I love being around people chatting away. However, being sentimental is not my forte. Therefore, I love to decorate in any forms, as through the tables, that's where I connect on a deeper level. Tables are where we meet, connect, laugh, and cry. Gathering people in person has always been the essence of communication. Tablescaping is a way I love adding the extra touch to every unique moment we all connect. It is like art that we create the canvas to imprint every keepsake moments in our memory. Perhaps it is fate or chance that brought my passion for table setting to create Ascape Living. Though I have been doing this for fun for decades, a good friend of mine supported and encouraged me to decorate her mom's 70th birthday party in an official capacity. Before I know it, everything took off. 2021 has been a hectic and rewarding year. It's a year of exponential learning. Started from zero, I edited my first videos, photography, and even got on camera for my first vlog and copywriting. It is a year of many firsts. I'd like to thank you and my family for walking the journey of Ascape Living. I hope to keep sharing and growing in 2022. Hope I can bring the culture of escaping to every household and every table where your heart lies.